What if the person you helped the most hurts you the worst? What if your kindness becomes someone else's easy money? She trusted once and lost everything, but the second time, she was ready. In a small city, there lived a kind girl named Emma. She was simple, soft, and always ready to help others. She did not have much money, but she had a big heart. Emma worked in a small bakery every day. She woke up early, worked hard, and saved every dollar slowly. She had one dream. One day, she wanted to open her own small shop. She believed in honesty, love, and friendship. Her best friend was Lily. Emma trusted Lily more than anyone. They laughed together, ate together, and shared dreams. Emma believed Lily would always stand by her side. She never thought that one day, this same friend would break her heart in the worst way. One day, Lily came to Emma with tears in her eyes. She said, "I want to start a small business, but I don't have money." Emma felt sad for her friend. Without thinking too much, Emma said, "Don't worry, I will help you." Emma gave Lily all her savings. It was money she had saved for years. It was her dream money. Lily hugged her and said, "I will never forget this. I promise I will return it." Emma smiled with pure trust. Days passed, then weeks, then months. Lily stopped calling. Her phone was off. Her house was empty. Emma slowly understood the truth. Lily had taken the money and disappeared. Emma sat alone in her room, holding her empty wallet. She did not cry loudly. She just felt quiet pain inside her heart. Life became hard for Emma. She had no savings now. She had to work even more. Every morning felt heavier. But Emma did not stop. She kept working, kept saving again, little by little. She stopped trusting easily. She spoke less. She smiled less. But deep inside, she became stronger. Years passed. Slowly, Emma finally opened her small bakery. It was not big, but it was hers. People loved her shop because she was kind and honest. Her dream was coming true again. But one thing never left her heart: the pain of being betrayed by someone she trusted the most. If you are enjoying this story, like this video and subscribe to English Story Academy for more simple and powerful motivational stories. Stay till the end, because the biggest lesson is coming. One rainy evening, something unexpected happened. Emma was cleaning her shop when the door opened slowly. A familiar voice said, "Emma." Emma looked up. It was Lily. After so many years, she was standing there again. She looked weak and tired. Her clothes were simple. Her face looked sad. Lily walked closer and said, "I made a mistake. I am sorry. I lost everything. Please help me again." Emma's heart started beating fast. Old memories came back. The betrayal, the pain, the silence. For a moment, Emma said nothing. She just looked at Lily quietly. Lily continued, "I have changed. I promise this time I will be honest. I just need one more chance." Emma looked at her deeply. She remembered how she trusted her once and lost everything. But Emma was not the same girl anymore. She had learned something important. She slowly nodded and said, "Okay, I will help you." Lily's eyes filled with hope. Emma went inside and brought a small envelope. It looked like money. She gave it to Lily. Lily smiled quickly, took the envelope, and left without even sitting or talking more. Emma stood at the door, watching her leave in the rain. But this time, Emma was not broken. The next day, Emma saw something shocking. Lily was at a market, laughing and showing the money to someone. Emma walked closer quietly. Then she heard Lily say, "I fooled her again. She is still the same." Emma stepped forward. Lily froze. Emma looked calm and said, "Open the envelope." Lily opened it, and her face turned pale. Inside there was no real money, only blank paper. Emma said softly, "I trusted you once, and you broke it. I gave you a second chance, not to trust you, but to see the truth." Lily stood silent, ashamed. Emma turned away and walked back to her shop. This time her heart felt strong, not broken. Emma never saw Lily again, but she never forgot the lesson. Being kind is good. Helping others is good. But trusting the same person again after they break you can break you even more. Emma continued her life, her bakery, and her dreams. She still helped people, but with wisdom now. She smiled again, but this time she understood people better. Because sometimes, life does not teach you through success. It teaches you through pain. Morale, trust once, but learn twice. If this story touched your heart, like this video and subscribe to English Story Academy for more motivational English learning stories. Share this story with someone you care about, because one lesson today can save a heart tomorrow.